Hey guys, what's up? It's Nate, and it's gonna be Nate, today and tomorrow because I'm filming this a day early. This is the intro that I won't have time to film in the morning because being a nerd, I'm going to a cubing competition. That's what I'm vlogging, today, tomorrow, and the next day because, nerdiness. And I can solve other puzzles, and I'm competing in two other events. They're called Pyraminx and 2x2, and I'll show you those in a second. So I hope you enjoy me being nerdy and interacting with other nerdy nerds. And I'm going to go show you a little bit of what I can do. One quick thing I should have specified, by cubing competition, I mean Rubik's Cube competition. Just saying. Okay, I'll show you what I can do now. Alright, so these are the three events I'm competing in: Pyraminx, 2x2, and the standard 3x3 that you would come across anywhere. So I'm just going to do a solve on all three. Is And there you go. And before anyone comments that I'm slow, I realize I'm slow. I'm very slow, but I'm still going to a competition and competing, and you can't stop me. Because, yeah, this would already be uploaded when you comment that. So, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. Alright, so now it's the actual day of the competition. And even though I filmed my intro a day early, and we're on the way to the competition, so I will just see you there. I got here and I checked in, and I'm just waiting for Pyraminx to start, so I'm gonna film myself doing Pyraminx in a second. So 4x4 and one-handed are happening right now while I wait desperately to compete.
+2.
So I did bad in Pyraminx. I got like an 11 average, which is kind of bad. So I'm most likely not going to make it to Pyraminx finals, but I still have two other events which I have to get lucky in to make it. So yeah. Alright, so we're going on our lunch break because my next event's not for a few hours. And we're going to an Asian restaurant. We don't really know where. So I'll see you in the restaurant. So I forgot to vlog lunch, but I got honey lemongrass chicken. It's good. And we're headed back to the comp, so see you there. So I'm back at the comp, and now I'm warming up for 2x2, which is in about half an hour. So yeah.
I just got this cube.
Oh, like from there?
Yeah, I forgot my
8 seconds. Ready.
I don't remember the way.
So 3x3 is in about half an hour, and I have to warm up or else I'll fail. So yeah.
Joshua?
Alright, so I'm overall did okay. I didn't make it to the next round in any of the events, but I'm still going tomorrow to watch the finals. So that about ends the vlog. So subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell, whatever you want, and I'll see you tomorrow.